I walked alone where the shadows lie, felt the cold wind cut in the lonely sky. Life tried to break me, tried to drag me down, but I'm still standing, boots on the ground. Heard the whispers of death along the trail, seen my brothers fall when the light went pale. But I keep moving, one step at a time. Faith is my compass, hope is my line. Through the darkest night, I keep holding on, even when the world feels lost and gone. Life may push me, try to take my fight, but I'll keep standing through the longest night. Storms roll in and the thunder calls, but I've built a fire in these weather walls. Every scar I wear is a story told, of fighting hard, of growing bold. Through the darkest night, I keep holding on, even when the world feels lost and gone. Life may push me, try to take my fight, but I'll keep standing through the longest night. I've stared at the edge, I felt the fear, but the heartbeat inside keeps drawing me near. I'll face the shadows, I won't give in. There's a fight in my soul, and it'll never end. Through the darkest night, I keep holding on, even when the world feels lost and gone. Life may push me, try to take my fight, but I'll keep standing through the longest night. Dusty boots on a morning trail, sun on my back, wind in the sail. The barn door creaks, the children play. I've got a fire, but I stay. The world may roar, the nights may call, but I'll stand tall. I won't fall. Iron heart, gentle hands, I fight for mine across these lands. Rebel soul, but tender my demons locked away. Storms may rage, the darkness near, but love's my shield and I have no fear. Iron heart, gentle hand, I fight for mine across these lands. Rebel soul, but tender too. I do what a man of honor would do. Every scar, every fight I've known leads me back to this home I own. Through sweat and tears, I carve my way for those I love. I'll always stay. Iron heart, gentle hands, I fight for mine across these lands. Rebel soul, but tender too. I do what a man of honor would do. Iron heart, gentle hands, for my family I'll always stand. Streetlights blur as I chase the night. Engine roar and I'm feeling alive. City fades, the stars come out to guide. Every mile I take, I leave something behind. The radio hums with a lonely tune. Wind cuts sharp under a silver moon. I've loved too fast, I've lost too deep, but I ride these roads, no promises to keep. And I hear the sky calling my name. Every shadow burns like a flame. I'm on the edge of the horizon, flying free. No chains can hold the road inside of me. The night is mine, the dawn's too far. I'll keep running hard, following my star. Concrete rivers and neon streams carry my doubts, my restless dreams. Faces I've known fade in the rear view, but I keep moving, chasing something true. And the wind whispers secrets I can't ignore. Every heartbeat shouts for more. I'm on the edge of the horizon, flying free. No chains can hold the road inside of me. The night is mine, the dawn's too and the stars are mine. I'm on the edge of the horizon, flying free. No chains can hold the road inside of me. The night is mine, the dawn's too far. I'll keep running hard, following my star. Midnight came with a heavy sound. Footsteps slow on the frozen ground. I opened the door, he was standing there. Black hat low, cold midnight air. He said, son, I've been waiting on you. I said, not yet, I got things to do. The fire in my chest still burns and sways. I ain't ready to end my days. He's knocking at the gate, but I won't cross. Still got too much to lose, too much to toss. The road's still long and my boots still tread. Not gonna follow where the cold winds lead. Someday I'll walk through, but not tonight. I've still got fire, I've still got light. Someday I'll walk through, but not tonight. I've still got fire, I've still got light. He's knocking at the gate, but I won't cross. Still got too much to lose, too much to toss. The road's still long and my boots still tread. Not gonna follow where the cold winds lead.